15, I was obsessed with one thing: badminton. I competed and won at nationals at a young age, and I had the goal of competing at the Olympics. I wanted so badly to follow my brother's footsteps. But with a sudden knee injury, I was told to stop playing the sport I loved. But suddenly I had so much spare time left up after school and I didn't know what to do. This is when I came across baking. So my cakes kind of looked crappy at the start, but it wasn't too bad for a 15-year-old. Then this soon became my after-school routine because the more I baked, the more I fell in love with it. And the better and better I got. Then my family and friends started asking me to make them cakes. Then it got so good that people actually wanted to buy them. Now, over this last 6 months at Spark, it was about transforming our small business into a well-established brand. So naturally, we worked to improve our social media presence. And this actually landed me the opportunity to make the 8th birthday cake for one of the largest e-commerce fashion companies in Australia, Showpo. Now, this is not all we've been doing over these last 6 months, of course. So, we worked on our pricing model because we came to realize that people are actually willing to pay a lot more for custom cakes. We built and launched a website, and now we have a wider range of products and services available. All of this combined helped us to increase our revenue from just over $500 in May to now generating nearly $3,000 in half a month. Our inquiries have gone up to 35 in just half a month in comparison to just over 2 months ago after launching our website. Now, it might just seem to you like it's flour, sugar, butter, eggs, but the existing cake market is huge with a lot of potential. The Australian cake market is valued at $300 million, while the global cake market is expected to value at over $100 billion by 2023. Now, for us, we believe the opportunity for scale lies in the use of technology and automation. That is why we want to build an online virtual custom cake designing platform. It will be designed in a way to guide you step by step to create your own cake by simply selecting your favorite flavors, colors, toppings. And once you're happy with your design, you simply pay online. It will be sent to a local cake maker. Once it's completed, it'll be delivered to your doorstep. This platform will provide you convenience and flexibility because you can design your cake anytime, anywhere, and get it delivered to any place. Now, our pathway to creating this platform is that we're currently using our previous customer base as our research subjects, and we also have an MVP, which is a simple typeform format that we are currently using. Now, our team consists of myself and Sawan. We're both former athletes who are highly motivated and determined to grow our company into a household name and to launch this platform in the future. Our vision is to become the world's largest cake makers without owning a single storefront. Our ask for today is that we're actually looking for a CTO to make this platform come into reality, and that if you have any introductions to corporates, that would be great because we're expanding out into catering more corporate events. Also, one more note before I finish. Just to thank everyone here, we have some cake slices, 200 cake slices actually, in lemon and chocolate. I don't see a lot of it gone yet, so make sure, I need it all finished tonight. Make sure you enjoy it, and then there's also a display cake for your eyes to enjoy. Thank you.